This tutorial is going to show you one option that you can use to create a new solution file or a new project every time we have a lab assignment. And to do this, I'm just going to make a copy of the project sample and then rename it. So I'm going to go over to Irvine directory on my C drive, default installation, go into the examples folder that came with the installation, and I'm just going to make a copy of this entire folder, and I'm going to paste it in my projects folder. And I'm going to rename it. I'll call it, let's see, we're working on Lab 3, so I'm just going to rename this thing Lab 3. So there I have it. Now I'm going to go into Visual Studio 2012 Express and open that project. Lab 3. Take a look at the assembly. So here's a copy of it. And I'm just going to modify this however is necessary for Lab 3. So for example, I'll call the dump regs library procedure just to build it. And it's built, and then we'll just start the debugger and step into this, and there it is. So that's a fairly straightforward way. You can just simply make copies of a project and rename it Lab 4, Lab 5 as we go through the semester, and you'll have all of your work through the semester. I made another video, oh gosh, 2 or 3 years ago, using a previous version of Visual Studio, and I'm going to include that in this assignment folder as well. But I personally think this is an easier and preferable method.